Welcome. Today, we'll dive into creating an AI-centric personal brand. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or a professional looking to stand out, this video is for you. Did you know that 70% of employers screen candidates on social media before hiring? Your personal brand is your digital handshake. So, grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's explore how to build a compelling AI-centric personal brand that sets you apart in the industry. Remember, in the digital age, your brand is your reputation. Personal branding is crucial in today's competitive job market. It's how you present yourself to potential employers, clients, and peers. According to LinkedIn, profiles with photos receive 21 times more views and 36 times more messages. Your brand is more than your resume, it's your story, values, and unique contributions. Think of it as your professional fingerprint, distinct and identifiable. Your unique value proposition is what sets you apart. It's the unique skills, experiences, and perspectives you bring to the table. For example, if you specialize in AI ethics, highlight your expertise in navigating complex moral dilemmas in tech. According to Forbes, having a clear, unique value proposition increases your chances of career success. Define your unique value proposition and let it shine through every aspect of your personal brand. Building a strong online presence is essential. Start with a professional LinkedIn profile, ensure it's complete, with a professional photo and detailed work history. Create profiles on platforms like GitHub to showcase your AI projects. A study by Career Builder found that 57% of employers are less likely to interview candidates they can't find online. Your online presence is like your digital business card. Make it impressive. Social media platforms, like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium, are powerful tools for personal branding. Share industry insights, participate in discussions, and connect with influencers. Did you know that 45% of the world's population uses social media? Leveraging these platforms helps you reach a broader audience. Think of social media as your personal megaphone. Use it to amplify your voice and expertise. A professional portfolio showcases your skills and accomplishments. Include case studies, project summaries, and technical skills. Platforms like GitHub, Behance, and personal websites are great for hosting your portfolio. According to Indeed, portfolios are becoming a critical component of the hiring process for tech roles. Your portfolio is like a showcase. Display your best work proudly. Creating content through blogging and articles establishes you as a thought leader. Share your insights on AI trends, challenges, and innovations. Platforms like Medium and LinkedIn are perfect for publishing your content. HubSpot reports that companies with active blogs receive 55% more visitors. Blogging is like planting seeds. Each post can grow into a valuable opportunity. Joining AI communities and forums is vital for networking and learning. Engage with groups on platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and AI-specific Slack channels. According to a Harvard Business Review study, 95% of professionals consider networking essential for career growth. Participating in communities is like joining a professional family, supportive and resourceful. Public speaking and presentations enhance your credibility and visibility. Speak at industry conferences, webinars, and local meetups. According to a Toastmasters survey, 75% of people fear public speaking, but overcoming it can significantly boost your career. Public speaking is like a spotlight, shining on you and your expertise. Networking with industry leaders can open doors to new opportunities. Connect with AI experts on LinkedIn, attend networking events, and seek mentorship. Forbes highlights that 85% of jobs are filled through networking. Building relationships with leaders is like having a key to exclusive doors, unlocking new career possibilities. Showcasing your AI projects demonstrates your practical skills. Share your projects on GitHub, Kaggle, and personal websites. Include detailed descriptions, code snippets, and results. According to Stack Overflow, 48% of developers share their projects online. Your projects are like proof of your expertise, a solid and impressive proof. Keeping your skills up to date is essential in the fast-evolving AI field. Take courses on platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX. Attend workshops and seminars. A McKinsey report states that 87% of companies face skill gaps. Continuous learning is like sharpening your tools, essential for staying effective and competitive. Measure your brand's impact using analytics tools. Track metrics like profile views, engagement rates, and follower growth on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Google Analytics can help monitor your website traffic. According to Buffer, businesses that measure their marketing efforts are 1.5 times more likely to see growth. Measuring impact is like using a compass, keeping you on the right track. Learn from successful AI personal brands. Follow influencers like Andrew Ng, Fei-Fei Li, and Yan LeCun. Analyze their strategies and adapt them to your brand. According to LinkedIn, influencers see 11 times more engagement on their posts. Learning from the best is like standing on the shoulders of giants, gaining a higher perspective. Thank you for joining us on this journey of creating an AI-centric personal brand. We've covered the essentials of personal branding, from building an online presence to leveraging social media and showcasing your projects. Remember, your brand is your professional identity. Nurture it with care. Keep learning, stay engaged, and let your unique value shine. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Together, let's build compelling AI-centric personal brands. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and let's make the future bright with AI.